Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Parchy Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. This is the clear case from Spigen, and now they make these cases with the anti-yellowing thing on there, so it doesn't change. Well, that's what the package says, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna change over time sometime, because sometimes that's what it says and it actually still changes to yellow, so that's not a guarantee. But the good thing is it comes with a warranty, so if it changes you can always get it exchanged. Okay, so I have here the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the titanium white, and this is what we're going to install this case on and see how it looks. Okay, so let's go ahead. As you can see here, it says crystal clear. Okay, ultra hybrid, so you can see it here on the case. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box, get it out the box. And this case, every single time I get a new iPhone, this case is a must for me. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case, beautiful case. Let's put this box aside. Let's pop this out of the package, and as you can see, beautiful case. Got the cutouts, speakers at the bottom, the speaker grill cutouts, a charging port, the power button. Got the action button here, no more silent switch cutout, and we got the volume up and down. And as you can see, it's really light, not too bulky. As you can see here, air cushion technology, as you can see, stamped right here on the case. So let's go ahead and rip this piece out from the inside. Normally this used to have just one coverage protection film on the inside. Now it seems like they put it on the outside as well, because we got one out on the outside here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Okay, that's off, and let's slap it on the phone and see how it looks. Wow, beautiful. So you can see, depending on what color iPhone you get, if you want to show that color off, this case is really nice in showing off the colors, not bulky. Got nice lips here on the case to cover your phone, protect your phone, just in case you put it face down. On the side you can see the volume buttons, really nice and soft. The action button, power button, is nice and soft as well and easy to press, not much resistance there. And you got the cutout at the bottom, really nice and neat and uniform at the bottom. And as you can see, you have a little bit of raise here looking at this side here, that protects your phone when you put it down on the back. Okay, and the camera bump, a little bit of protruding over the camera bump here. The cutout for the camera here is protruding a little bit over the camera lenses, so it gives you great protection there as well if your phone falls on the back. Okay, and look at from the top, you can see the side, the titanium sides popping through here, really nice and clear. So this case, if you're looking for a clear case for your new iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or regular 15s, this case is definitely one to look at. Okay, and I'm going to have the link in the description where you can purchase this case from Amazon, and it's on sale right now. And they offer, sometimes they do offer like a coupon where you can apply the coupon at checkout and you get a cheaper rate as well. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, put it all for when I have another unboxing on this channel for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.